Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Mgiliji. Injenje Yabenguni Council in KwaNongoma, KwaZulu-Natal has announced the untimely passing of the internationally renowned Zulu Regiment Commander Induna Mgiliji Nhleko. Nhleko was known for leading Zulu warriors Amabutho during traditional ceremonies. The warrior was dismissed by Zulu Traditional Council, presiding over his area after participating in a pro-former President Jacob Zuma protest in Kandla in July, but was later reinstated after apologizing. According to Injenje Yabenguni Council, Nhleko has been unwell in recent months leading to his death. Indunankulu Phumlani Kadoto Eka said in a statement that the passing of Induna Mgiliji Nhleko evoked great sadness and indeed anger amongst many as they fall robbed of a proud glistening Guni gem whose sparkle remains unsurpassed amongst his peers. He said, whilst there have been unsavory sinister attempts by some to tarnish his image in the public domain, however, these feeble attempts failed as he remains the most highly respected Zulu Regiment commander of the generation world over. We shall remain resolute to his uncompromising principles on self-knowledge and community consciousness. We shall remain steadfast in the truth which he lived for and ultimately gave up his spirit for. His vision shall become a reality in our lifetime, irrespective of what evil detractors might next conjure. We shall reciprocate to commensurate without hesitancy, and we shall not withhold. Lala ngoxolo Babu Nhleko, you will be forever remembered as a great Zulu Regiment commander. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 online channel loves you. Bye good people.